All right, my people. So I'm going to take you through a quick, easy, step-by-step tutorial on how to use the copy trading services on Bitunix and how to follow our copy trading account. And I'll take you through the whole process from signing up to depositing crypto to finding us and following us. And stay tuned because shortly there will be a step-by-step tutorial explaining exactly into detail how Bitunix works as an exchange, how to use its different features, and so on. So let's get started. All right, one of the good things with Bitunix is that you don't need a KYC to sign up. So it's as simple as it gets. Put in your best email, type a password they want to use, make sure that you have agreed to the Bitunix user agreements, and then you click sign up. Now they have sent a verification code to my Gmail, so let's check it. So that's how easy it was for me to create an account on Bitunix. And now when we have done that, let's see how we deposit crypto into this. You can, of course, buy crypto, as you can see here. Buy crypto, including USDT, directly with ease. This is directly from card or bank deposit. We gonna deposit on chain. So we gonna deposit crypto into this. And you always want to have your funds for copy trading on the spot account. So it's the spot account that you want to deposit to. All right. And I want to deposit USDT. I want to deposit it on the TRC20 Tron network. It's faster and it's cheaper. I copy the address. Cool, I understand. And now let me do the deposit. All right, so as you can see, I have $20 on my spot account now. I deposited $20 just to be able to show this to you. And what we're doing now is we're heading over to the copy trading section. Now here, as you can see, you can choose between different copy traders. And what you see here is, of course, the name. And you see how many people that follow them. We can have maximum 500. As you see, some of them are very, very popular. You see their 7-day return on investment. Now to find Prosperous World's copy trading profile, you just type in Prosperous in the search here. As you can see here, we have no stats at all. We have no followers because we just opened this account. So the only thing we have done is we have deposited $1,000. That is going to be a starting balance. Doesn't mean that you have to use $1,000. You can use $20, $50. I will now copy this account from my personal account with my $20. So what I do is I click copy now. Now in here, you have some options, and this is quite advanced for being a copy trading platform. I've seen other copy trading platforms and they are not this advanced. So let me explain these different fields for you. All right, so the first thing you see is the multiplier settings and the fixed amount settings. We're going to focus on the multiplier settings, but I'm going to go through the fixed amount settings as well so you understand it in case you want to use it. But here on the multiplier, let's start with it. So first and foremost, amount. This is how much you want to risk into your copy trading account. So let's say that you have $200,000 here. But from those $200,000, you only want to risk 20 bucks. It doesn't mean that you risk 20 bucks into every trade. It means that in total, you have 20 bucks to risk in your copy trading account. So now I've deposited those 20 bucks into my copy trading account. Next thing here is stop loss. And it says recommended, but I might go against this and say not recommended. Why is that? It's because if you, let's say, put a stop loss of 5%, this counts percent. Let's say you put 5% as a stop loss. It means that your trade or the trade that your account is copying from us, when that trade retraces 5%, boom, your trade is done. It stops you out. Now here's the thing. Your account is copying us, is copying our master trader. And my recommendation is you either do it or you don't do it. It means the master trader has already stop losses in place. If he's holding the trade and he's doing it so for a reason, if he's stopping the trade and he's doing so for a reason, let your account copy the master account fully. Doesn't matter if you follow us or you follow somebody else. All right. So I'll say no stop loss here. Let the stop loss come automatically from whatever stop loss the master trader or the lead trader sets. All right. Further down, you got advanced options. And here you can choose, for example, margin mode. I would first and foremost say leave all of this as it is. That's my recommendation. But if you know what you're doing, okay. So margin mode, you use same as trader. You can use cross or you can use isolated. The difference between these two are that isolated margin is that, let's say, for example, you are hedging your trades. You have one trade that is going in profit and one that is going in loss. When the one that is going in loss is liquidated, it's liquidated. It will not use funds from the trade that is going in profit. If I use cross margin, then the trade in loss will use funds from the trade in profit. So it will not liquidate automatically. I recommend to have the same as trader here. Leverage, same thing, have the same as trader. But let's say you think that the master trader, the lead trader is good, but you think he's risking too much. You don't want to risk as much as he does because he keeps you sleepless. Then you can use a fixed leverage. Let's say 4x, let's say 2x, 12x, whatever you want. But one thing I definitely recommend is not to use too much leverage. We're in the crypto sphere and there's already enough volatility in the markets. And here on the risk management field, you choose how much percent each and every trade should take from your total copy trading funds. So let's say, for example, now I have 20 bucks in here and you don't want a trade ever to use more than 50% of the funds. And then what does it say here? When a single trade pair position margin reaches $10, so half of the $20, it will no longer follow the order to increase the position. All right. Slippage, you don't have to worry about this. This is good to have when you're trading on crypto exchanges with low trading volume. Bitunix, one of the prime features is that they have really good volume, especially on their futures trade. So we don't need this. So that is that. If you're happy with your settings, then you click I have read and agree the user agreements. And of course, you read it first and then you click copy. Now, let me first, before I click copy, show you guys the fixed amount. Here, you type in a fixed amount that you want to put into each and every trade. Let's say you want to have $10 into each and every trade, all right? And same like on the multiplier, how much is the total amount that you want to use in your copy trading account from your spot balance? Because it always uses the spot balance for your copy trading account. So much of your spot balance do you want to use for copy trading? 20, let's say the fixed amount per order that I want to use is 5. Stop loss, same like before, and everything else, same like before. And same thing. I have read and agreed to the user agreements, and I copy. But what did I say? I want to use the multiplier. I'm happy with this. Everything is good here. I don't want to use no fixed leverage. So I want to use same as trader. Boom. I'm happy with everything. All right, cool. I will now copy myself. Boom. So now I am successfully copying every single trade that Prosperous World does. And in here, I will be able to see copied position, position history, copied order history, profit history, transfer history, funding. Here, you see your daily stats, how is it going, P&L, margin, net profits, and so on. And I highly recommend you to explore this platform more and deeper so you get used to navigate around here. And like I said, soon you will have a step-by-step tutorial where I explain all these features on Bitunix, and there's a lot of them. So stay tuned, and with that said, happy copy trading.